Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LinkedIn to Dropbox for shareable case study links step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to LinkedIn and log into your account. Once logged in, head to your profile. Locate the section where you want to add your case study link. Look for the option to add media or links. Open a new tab and go to Dropbox. Log into your Dropbox account. Upload the case study document that you want to share. After uploading, find the file in your Dropbox. Click on the file to open it. Select the Share button next to the file. In the sharing options, choose Create a link. Once the link is generated, click on Copy Link. Return to the LinkedIn tab. Paste the copied link into the Media or Link section of your LinkedIn profile. Add a brief description or title for your case study. Ensure that the link is set to be viewable by anyone with the link, if necessary. Review the information you've entered to confirm accuracy. Click on the Save or Apply button to add the link to your profile. To check the link, view your LinkedIn profile. Click on the case study link to ensure it directs correctly to Dropbox. Your case study is now successfully linked on LinkedIn. This allows others to easily access and share your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.